welcome to our DIY septic tank inspection guide. In this video, we will walk you through the important checks you should perform to ensure your septic tank is functioning properly. By following these simple steps, you can save money and avoid major issues down the line. The first step in inspecting your septic tank is to locate its exact position. In this scene, we will show you how to find the septic tank on your property. By knowing its location, you will be able to perform the other necessary checks effectively. Once you've located the septic tank, it's time to inspect the tank cover. In this scene, we will demonstrate how to safely remove the cover and check for any signs of damage or leakage. This step is crucial as a damaged cover can lead to contamination and other serious problems. The inlet and outlet pipes of your septic tank play a vital role in the proper functioning of the system. In this scene, we will guide you on how to inspect these pipes for any blockages, leaks, or signs of wear and tear. Identifying and fixing these issues early on can prevent costly repairs in the future. Monitoring the water level in your septic tank is essential to ensure it is working efficiently. In this scene, we will show you how to check the water level and what it indicates about the tank's performance. Maintaining the proper water level is key to preventing clogs and backups. The drain field is a critical component of your septic system. In this scene, we will explain how to assess the drain field for any signs of saturation, odors, or overgrowth. A healthy drain field ensures the proper disposal of wastewater, so it's important to regularly inspect and maintain it. In this final scene, we will provide you with some general maintenance tips to keep your septic system in top shape. By following these tips, you can extend the lifespan of your septic tank and avoid costly repairs. Stay tuned for valuable advice.